Start by preparing the dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a large mixing bowl. Allow this mixture to sit for about 5 minutes, during which the yeast will activate and turn the mixture frothy. Now proceed to add 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the yeast mixture, stirring until you get a dough. Start kneading this dough on a floured surface until it becomes a smooth elastic. Place the kneaded dough in a greased bowl, turning to coat all sides. Cover and let it sit in a warm spot to rise. You'll know it's ready when it doubles in size, which usually takes around 1 hour. As soon as the dough has expanded, we proceed to form the rolls. To release any trapped air bubbles, give the dough a good punch, then split it into 8 to 12 even portions. Each portion is then molded into a round ball, kinda like a sphere, by tucking the dough under itself until a smooth top is achieved. They are then positioned on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Before the baking process begins, these rolls require a short immersion in a boiling baking soda bath. This bath is a concoction of 10 cups of water and 2/3 of a cup of baking soda. Bestows the pretzel rolls their trademark flavor and texture. To prepare the bath, bring the water and baking soda mixture to rolling boil in a spacious pot. Carefully immerse a handful of rolls in the boiling bath for a half minute, flipping them once in the midst of the duration. Utilize a slotted spoon to extract the rolls from the bath and reposition them on the baking sheet. Now we transition to the baking phase. Warm up your oven to a temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the top of each roll with an egg wash, which is simply a blend of a beaten egg yolk and water, then dust it with coarse sea salt. Bake the rolls for a duration of 15 to 20 minutes until they attain a golden brown hue and resonate with a hollow sound when tapped on their base. Prior to serving, give the rolls ample time to cool down on a wire rack. And there you have it, homemade pretzel rolls, perfect for any occasion. These versatile rolls can either grace your dining table as a delightful side or be stacked with your preferred fillings for a mouth-watering sandwich. Freshly baked and warm, these rolls promise a gastronomic joyride. Please enjoy.